So I recently replaced our kitchen faucet with this one, and I'm really happy with it because several reasons. Pulls down really easily, has some good water pressure, as you'll see. I had to take the last one off because we have really hard water, and all that hard water was having build up inside the faucet head. It doesn't immediately solve that. So I think this comes in several finishes. This is the chrome finish, and it perfectly matches our sink that we already had. I find it to be a good size, fits really well in my hand. It actually came with several adapters, so it can adapt to just about any kitchen hose. I think there's like 12 or 16 of these adapters in the box. So I just had to screw that onto the faucet head itself and then screw that onto the hose. Installation went really fast, really simple, and it all lines up really good. I'm going to show you the water pressure on this thing because it's really good. Got your standard flow right there. Got a good shower mist there. And this one, man, this is really cool. Like if you have a bunch of crud on your dishes and really need to scrub it off, this thing solves that right away. Look at the power on that. It's really good. Like, check this out. This was all dried on from last night. I'm just gonna put that in the sink, turn the water on, and use this button here. And that got that almost all the way clean. I'll throw this in the dishwasher, of course, but really turns your faucet into like a commercial sink. It does really well.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.